Perfecto. I think I'm going to try the orange one. Ew. Are these watermelon seeds? Oh yeah, they are. No, but eat mine, okay?
Wow, you like that said, the casino.
I know, look. It's upside. Cheater, what happened to the watermelon? What watermelon? Never see me naked. She's naked. I'm not gonna show you, boys. If you're a boy, I'm not.
Oh, put it in the laundry basket. Come on, we're gonna drink medicine.
Chini, you're wearing sando. So, yeah,
Masarap tong may dragon fruit kapag malamig.
ma'am.
Hindi na nakita ng damot. Ikaw din.
It's almost done.